Hey guys, welcome back to the next part of this live mixing session. If you have been liking this music so far, the link to the artist will be down in the description below. Today we're going to be working on tweaking the mix. So we've gone through most of the instruments, and I always suggest making sure you reference as you're going. So stop, listen to your reference again to retune your ears. And so this is going to be after me referencing. I obviously can't show the reference on YouTube or else the copyright will go bananas. So this is after me taking some time to retune my ears and then going back and hearing what's wrong in the mix and then making those tweaks. So let's jump right in. Okay guys, gonna be honest, I just did another session of retuning my ears, listening to some just commercially released music in the same genre. And so I'm just gonna do a double check before we move into the vocals that our mix is still good and still matching what people would expect and what will translate to multiple systems after we get done. So I'm just gonna give it a quick listen to see where we're at. Okay, and so what I'm about to do is I'm just going to go make a few tweaks to tweak what I heard before starting this video to try again and match the reference. And I think that's one of the most important things you can do is always just keep referencing, keep making sure that you're on point, because we tend to veer off. Our ears will tune to whatever they think sounds good, and as you get some ear fatigue from mixing for a while, you'll end up with a mix that doesn't actually sound good, even though it sounds good to you right then. So I'm just going to go through now that I've retuned my ears and just make some more adjustments. Okay, guys, so I didn't really want to say much on that one. I just wanted to go do the tweaks so you can see which tweaks I needed to make and just kind of where it took the song now. So if you want to go see what it sounded like before, just rewind this video and then see what it sounds like now. I mean, they're minor tweaks, but they are what will keep us on point and on reference to make sure our ears do not deceive us. And so now that we've made these tweaks, now we can move on to the vocals. So I'll see you next video.